In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw on Notion, 5 minutes. We're going to embed a live collaborative whiteboard inside a Notion page so you can sketch ideas, diagram workflows, or brainstorm with your team without leaving Notion. It's quick, clean, and works right in the browser. Start by opening a web-based whiteboard such as XCaliDraw in your browser. Create a new blank board so you have a fresh canvas to work with. On the whiteboard interface, look for the Share option. This is what enables real-time collaboration. Click Share, then choose Start Session. That creates a live session link, which turns your board into a room others can join. Keep this tab open while you work. The session needs the original board to stay active. Next, copy the session link provided by the whiteboard's Share panel. This is the exact link we'll embed, and it allows the whiteboard to stay interactive inside Notion. Anyone with access to your Notion page will be able to draw in that embedded board, so treat this link like an invitation to collaborate. Now switch over to Notion. Open an existing page where you want the drawing to live, or create a new page. Click into the page and type /embed, then select the embed block from the menu that appears. In the embed field, paste the whiteboard session link you copied earlier and confirm by choosing embed link. Notion will take a moment to load the live board. Once it appears, you can draw, erase, add shapes, and invite collaborators to work alongside you, all without leaving the Notion page. A few tips to make this smoother. You can drag the block's handles to resize the embedded canvas and give yourself more room. If your page layout is narrow, consider switching the page to full width for a better drawing experience. Use the whiteboard's built-in zoom and pan tools to navigate your canvas comfortably. If the board doesn't load right away, double check that your original whiteboard tab is still open and that the session is active, then refresh the Notion page and try again. When you're collaborating, remember that changes update live. Share the Notion page with teammates and they'll be able to draw with you instantly. When you finish, you can stop the session or clear the board from the whiteboard tab as needed. That's it. You've successfully set up drawing inside Notion using an embedded real-time whiteboard.